Welcome back to the channel where we bring you everything happening in the world of breakthrough technology. Today we're talking about something that has the drone community. It's buzzing like never before, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Recent leaks have revealed key details, and from the looks of it, DJI is gearing up to completely shake up the compact drone market once again. The DJI Mini series has always aimed to pack big performance into a small, travel-friendly body. But this time, DJI may have taken things several steps further. A teaser video recently surfaced, and while DJI has not officially confirmed anything, what we've seen so far is more than enough to start connecting the dots. The clip was short, but intriguing, showing off a sleek drone resting next to a mountain biker. A small detail, but it already hints at a bold change in the design language. The first thing people noticed was the refined look. This version of the Mini seems even more streamlined and portable than before. Gone are the bulky propeller guards. Instead, we see foldable propellers, which not only reduce weight, but also make packing easier. Foldable parts mean quicker setups, and faster teardowns, a huge plus for those always on the go. But it doesn't stop there. A closer inspection shows something more. Vented motors. That's right, this isn't just about weight and looks. Vented motors usually mean better cooling and smoother operation during longer flights. If true, this change alone could help prevent overheating, something that affects many compact drones in hotter climates or intense shooting conditions. There's also talk of improved aerodynamics, which could mean more stable performance. In windy conditions, when you're flying in mountainous terrain or by the ocean, even a small gust can throw your drone off track. If DJI found a way to counter this by tweaking the body design or repositioning the motors, it would be a big deal for creators who shoot in tough environments. Now let's get into the hardware, because this is where things get very real. According to the latest leaks and official filings, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might include a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a huge upgrade from what previous Mini models offered. For those unfamiliar, sensor size directly affects how much light your camera can capture. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, richer detail, and smoother gradients in photos and videos. So whether you're filming at sunrise, under cloudy skies, or in golden hour lighting, your footage will look crisp and full of depth. This upgrade would put the Mini 5 Pro into a completely different league. It's not just a toy or beginner drone anymore. It becomes a serious tool for travel vloggers, content creators, filmmakers, and photographers. The jump to a 1-inch sensor shows that DJI is listening to its audience. Creators have been asking for better image quality without giving up portability. Now it looks like they might finally get it. But that's not the only thing pushing the Mini 5 Pro forward. Another major development is the battery capacity. New FCC filings reveal a 4,680 mAh battery, a massive leap from previous versions. What does this mean in practice? You're looking at a potential 50 to 55 minutes of flight time? Nearly double what most drones in this category can do. Let's stop and think about that for a second. Imagine getting nearly an hour of uninterrupted flight. No rushing your shots, no panic landing, just when things are getting interesting, and no need to carry a dozen spare batteries. This change alone could make drone shooting a lot less stressful and way more productive. And there's more. There's chatter that DJI will introduce faster charging for this model. If true, it would be a major benefit for those who film multiple locations in a day. Imagine being able to recharge in under an hour while you grab lunch or drive to your next location. That kind of efficiency can transform a shooting schedule. Let's also touch on storage options. One rumor that's gaining attention is the idea of built-in internal storage, possibly 32 gigabytes. While that might not replace high-speed SD cards, it could absolutely be a lifesaver in the field. Forget your memory card, no problem. Accidentally fill up your main storage. Now you've got a built-in backup. Small feature, big impact. Now, about control. This part might interest both hobby pilots and professionals alike. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to support DJI's latest controllers, including those with built-in displays. This gives users more options whether they want a minimal setup or full-on control with detailed readouts and no need to pair with a smartphone. Some leaks even mention compatibility with motion controllers and next-gen FPV goggles. If this pans out, it would open the door to an entirely different way of flying. You're not just piloting a drone anymore, you're immersing yourself in the experience. Flying with FPV first-person view is thrilling. And if DJI is making this more accessible, that's a huge win. Another standout feature is the rumored 360-degree camera movement. This would be a game-changer for cinematic shots. Think about being able to rotate the camera mid-flight for dynamic panning, tracking, or spinning effects. No extra gear needed. It's just smooth in-camera motion that looks professionally shot. This opens the door for creative angles and unique storytelling techniques. Safety also seems to be getting a serious upgrade. We're talking about advanced infrared. Sensors capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away. Yes, that's a long range for a compact drone. More importantly, it means fewer accidents and more confident flying, especially in forests, cityscapes, or near buildings. And here's something many drone users have been asking for: quick swap propellers. It sounds like DJI is finally ditching the screw system. No tools, no fumbling. Just snap on, snap off. This will save time, reduce frustration, and let you focus more on your shot than on setup. To add to that, the motors themselves are rumored to be more powerful, offering better resistance to wind and quicker acceleration. Combined with the aerodynamic design and venting system, this could result in a drone that not only flies longer, but flies smarter and reacts faster to your inputs. Speaking of smart features, there are leaks suggesting that DJI might integrate voice commands and audio capture into the Mini 5 Pro. If true, this could revolutionize how we control drones in the future. Think of saying "take off" or "return to home" without pressing a button. Even more interesting, you could record voiceovers or ambient sounds in sync with your aerial footage, an entirely new level of storytelling. A possible new dedicated flight mode button is also on the table. This could allow users to switch between cinematic, manual, and other flight modes instantly, without digging through menus. For content creators, this is crucial. You want quick access to your tools, not time-wasted navigating settings. Everything about the Mini 5 Pro seems to aim toward one goal: giving users professional-level tools in a compact and easy-to-use body. Whether you're an experienced a filmmaker or someone just starting with drones, this model is shaping up to be an ideal companion. With the rumored release date of August 7th, 2025, and full availability expected by September, we're not far from seeing all of this confirmed. As for pricing, early whispers suggest the base kit will land around $850. With the Fly More combo going up to $1,100, that's not cheap. But it's still more affordable than stepping into the Air series, and it gives users access to features that previously required much larger drones. To wrap up this first section, here's the summary. Everything points to the DJI Mini 5 Pro being more than just an update. It's a serious evolution, from design and build quality to camera tech, battery life, flight control, safety, and usability. This drone looks like it will hit every mark that creators and adventurers care about. It's not just smaller, it's smarter, stronger, and more flexible than ever before. DJI clearly wants to give users more flight time, or shooting options, more creative freedom, without adding complexity or bulk. In the next section, we'll take a deeper look at how the DJI Mini 5 Pro compares to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, and how it might stack up against other popular drones in the same price range. We'll also explore what this new model means for the future of travel content, aerial filmmaking, and smart drone technology as a whole.